All right. So I wanted to go over to talk about how to submit and utilize the help section for online homework. Um, so if I have this equation here, and let's say I got the answer wrong, I'm gonna click check. I'm gonna hit enter. I'm gonna submit my answer. It's wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again. Hit enter. I'm gonna check my answers. Go down here to check my answer. I'm wrong. It says final check. Okay, so we have final check. So I can go ahead and hit similar question. Notice in similar question, it has the X bar up here and my answer is empty. So I can answer it again. I'm going to utilize the question help. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on help me solve this. It's going to walk me through all of the steps that I need to in order to solve this. This should be all the steps that you need to solve. So it says, remember when solving an equation, remember the goal is to isolate the variable to one side of the equation. All right, we're going to continue. Then it says begin combining like terms on the right side of the equation. So I'm going to combine like terms. So 5x minus 2x is going to give us 3x, and then that's going to be plus 2. Check my answer. Okay, well done. So now I'm going to next use the subtraction property of the equality to isolate the x term on the right side. If it was a negative sign, it would be the addition property. All right, now we're going to subtract the 2 from both sides. So 20 minus 2 is going to give me 18. Check answers. Well done. Good job. Then we're going to 18 divide by 3, which is going to give me 6. Check answers. I got the answer correct. However, you did not get the answer correct on the homework assignment. You only got the correct answer in terms of the help me solve this. So now you have to go and you actually have to solve the question here in order to take this from an X to a plus check marks. You want to make sure that it says it's correct. So we've got 16 is equal to 7x plus 2 minus 5x. All right, I'm going to combine like terms. So 7 minus 5 is going to give me 2. So that's going to be 16 is equal to 2x plus 2. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides. That's going to be 16 minus 2 is going to give me 14 is equal to 2x. We're going to divide by 2 from both sides. 14 divided by 2 is going to give me 7. So this should be x is equal to 7. We're going to go down to check our answer. Yes, it is. So as you can see, that went from an X from me getting it wrong to a checkbox. Now, there's a couple other ways to handle getting the right answer and going back to the question that you got wrong on an assignment without having to hit rebutton. If you notice, this is the whole list of your questions. And you notice that either if I had gotten it wrong, it would have marked it wrong. If I had gotten it right, it would get it right. Here, I'm going to go ahead and submit my work. Oh, look here. Okay, so I got an awful 6%. I got to go back and I got to get a better grade. You can click try again, okay? And that will reset all of the questions, which, I mean, that might not be a bad thing to do if you're struggling and you got a 6%. You might want to go back and just redo all the questions. Or you can come to this list and go to the view question and click similar question, which will reset it for you and allow you to get the correct answer. And then once you check your answer and you get it correct and it changes from an X to a check, you can go back to the end and resubmit it. And that's all you have to do in order to get it correct. Like let's see. This is a B plus 7, so that'd be 8B is equal to plus 24 plus 9. It's going to give me 33. 24. So that's going to give me 33 divided by 8. That's a fraction. Now, it does say to make sure to simplify your answer, but in this case, so that's going to be 33 divided by 8. Whoops. Check my answer. Oh, as you can see, I got it correct. So I fixed the one that I missed. So I'm going to go back to 16, and I'm going to go next, and I'm going to resubmit my... Oh, I guess it does. Oh, I guess you can't just check it and do similar question and get it right. You do have to redo the whole thing. Well, that's unfortunate. That's all right. So you made the mistake of hitting submit. All right. I will see y'all next time.